SOCVue Co-Managed SIEM for Splunk Enterprise Security is an affordable security-as-a-service solution that combines people, process, and technology. Security experts from the Cygilant Global SOC act as an extension of your IT team to help detect cyber threats and meet log management and compliance requirements. Splunk Enterprise Security is one of the most widely used SIEM solutions, but it takes significant resources to maximize your investment in the platform. That's why Cygilant provides 24/7 alert monitoring, so that your security operations are not limited to business hours. Forensic investigations, to help you dive deeper into the data. Security content engineering, so you have the customized alerts, reports, and dashboards you need for security and compliance. And the Cygilant Virtual SOC, an extension of your team that gives you a force multiplier effect. SOCVue enhances your visibility and allows you to maximize your return on investment. When a security alert triggers on your Splunk platform, the data will be immediately transferred to the SOCVue Security Operations and Analytics platform. The SOCVue platform is tightly integrated with Splunk using secure APIs. Here we see the security monitoring dashboard, which gives you a high-level overview of your security posture. The dashboard shows you the state of your open incidents and a list of which of your IT assets are affected. You can also view trend data to see how your status is changing over time. Each graph can be modified by chart type and time range. At the top of the page, you'll find quick links to your open tickets and open incidents, so you can quickly navigate to items that need your attention. When a Splunk alert is triggered, the SOC team will start investigating and an incident will be created here in the SOCVue portal. If the security analyst determines that further action is needed on your part, a ticket will be opened and you'll receive an email notification. Let's look at a few incident examples. The Incidents tab is where you can view all of your incidents and alerts. As part of the onboarding process, Cygilant is going to deploy our standard alert library in your Splunk system. Those alerts are then tuned continuously to make sure we detect threats and filter out false positives. Here we have a few examples. The first is a virus or Trojan alert. A number of different malware types fall into this category, including ransomware like WannaCry that's been making headlines lately. You can click into the incident details to see what our team discovered during the initial investigation. On this screen, you'll find info about the cause, potential impact, and the recommended actions. The incident is related to an alert or group of alerts that triggered in Splunk. You can click Alert Drill Down if you want to dig into the event logs that triggered the alert. The next example is a denial of service attempt, one of the most common attack types again last year. The incident details provide a little more context and guidance. The third example here is related to another common security incident, the abuse of user privileges. In this case, we have a permission change that might be routine or it might be a sign of trouble. Our SOC analysts can assist with a forensic investigation if needed. All of the alerts associated with our incidents will be included here in the portal. If a large number of similar alerts trigger, the SOCVue portal will consolidate them into a single incident, so you don't get bombarded with notifications and tickets. This might happen when a single source tries to repeatedly access the same destination, possibly a scripted brute force attack. It could also be caused by a single source trying to access multiple destinations in your network, maybe as part of a recon attempt. The alert details will contain the event log message or messages that caused the alert to trigger. The SOC team is going to review the details for you and give you guidance in the ticket. But the logs are here for you to review if you want to dive into the details. The SOCVue portal has integrated threat intelligence that continuously updates a list of known malicious IPs. Each alert is correlated with this data, and the threat icon is added to any IP address that matches our threat intelligence sources. This helps you quickly identify known bad actors who are attempting to communicate with your IT assets. Depending on the size of your network, you could be generating hundreds or even thousands of events per second. The Cygilant SOC team mutes this noise for you by investigating alerts before you get notified. Only when an incident needs your attention will they escalate it to you by creating a ticket. Tickets are managed right here in the SOCVue portal, making it easy for you to track the incident response process with our team. It also provides an audit trail and feeds into our executive reports. Tickets provide two-way communication between you and the security analysts working on your case. Anytime a ticket is created or updated, you'll also receive an email notification. and you can reply via email or use the ticketing interface here in the portal. And finally, the SOCVue portal is your repository for security and compliance reports. You'll receive a monthly scorecard report that provides key metrics and trends at both an operational level and a higher level executive report. The operational scorecard is intended for IT managers and the admins that are handling operations on a day-to-day basis. The metrics on this scorecard give you a summary of how well you and the SOC team are detecting potential threats and responding to them. The performance scorecard, on the other hand, is intended for IT managers who need to report to senior management or a board of directors. This scorecard is focused less on the day-to-day details and more on high-level risk metrics. Cygilant SOC analysts can also assist with configuring compliance reports in your Splunk solution. Thanks for watching this quick demo of the SOCVue portal. If you would like to learn more about the SOCVue Security Monitoring Service or any of our other Security as a Service offerings, please visit our website, www.cygilant.com.